Okay, so let's create our songs reducer that'll handle our songs piece of state. So we'll just leave this open. Let's make it a little nicer. So we're going to go to reducers and we'll say songs.js. You can call it whatever you want, songs reducer, but I'm just going to call it songs. The more we move, the dumber I think that the name of this app is. But anyway, if you watch any of my videos, you just know I'm so bad with coming up with like project names when I don't have a project name. But anyway, we're going to say export default, and this is our reducer, and we'll just set our state to an empty array and our action to an empty object. And I love that auto close plugin. So as you know, reducers are just a basic switch statement. So switch, and they're based on the action type, of which we have none yet. So we're just going to default it to return the state that we created above. So we're just going to say return state, and this will return an empty array. And now we shouldn't have any errors, so let's check it out. The warning store is assigned a value but not used. Okay, so that's fine, but you can see that we're not getting a songs reducer not found, which is cool. Alrighty, let's go back to our index file, and what we're going to do is we're going to import some stuff. Now you may not like the order of this, you know, I'm just running through this quickly, but you can always reorder these imports, you know, based on how important you think they are, etc., etc. So we're going to do import. Let's wire up devtools first, and then thunk. We'll do compose with devtools, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's correct. From Redux, devtools, what was it? Extension. Okay, save that, and might as well just get thunk as well. Import thunk from Redux thunk. Save that. Now in here, inside of our store, we're going to say compose with devtools and put it to use. And in here, whoops, I just forgot we didn't get apply middleware, which is important, and we'll pass thunk to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here, and you're also going to import apply middleware from Redux. Middleware. Whoops, and save that. And then what we'll do is wire up our app, or put our app inside of the provider. So let's get the provider first from Redux, or from React Redux. I'm sorry, let's import it up here. So we'll say import provider from, whoops, jeez, React. What's happening here? React dash Redux. Okay, and we're gonna wrap our app with it. So we'll say provider, and we're gonna need right here, close that, provider. Nice. And inside here we're going to pass in the store. So we'll say store equals store, which we created up above. So now let's save this, save this, and we should have no errors. Awesome, our app is running successfully. Now if you take a look, we have wired up our compose with devtools. So now this should work in Chrome. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to let's just do one more save. Right, okay. Let me see, how do I spread all windows? I think it's W. Anyway, okay, here we go. Here it is. I'll open up our console. Everything seems okay, no errors, and you can see I've got a Redux detector up here, top right, and a React detector. So now Redux DevTools is connected, which is cool. I've got all these plugins that I use the RSS, but this one, let's remove this. Yeah, I don't need that for now. Here's, you can see Redux. This is a Redux DevTools extension. Check it out, it's really cool. And now we can go to Redux, and we can check our state, and we have our songs piece of state, which is pretty cool. And if state changes, you actually see all of the changes occurring here, and you can go back in time, etc., etc. It's a really cool tool. Maybe in another video, this was just to wire up Redux, but in another video I think I'm gonna actually build a full app from here, and we'll go over Redux and basically time travel with Redux. So I hope this helped wire up Redux with Create React App, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.